Are you a retiree who's concerned about the future of your retirement savings? You're not alone. With rising inflation, interest rate hikes, and the ongoing volatility in the stock market, many retirees are feeling uncertain about where to park their hard earned money. And here's something you might not know: many are replacing bonds with something else, something that has been around for centuries but is now making a major comeback: gold IRAs. In today's video, I'm going to explain why retirees are making this switch, how gold IRAs work, and why this strategy might be the best move to protect your wealth in these uncertain times. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a key strategy that could change how you think about securing your future. Let's get right into it. Right now, we're living in a time when inflation is at its highest in decades. The cost of living keeps going up, and interest rates are unpredictable. The Federal Reserve has been raising interest rates to combat inflation, which might seem like a good thing on the surface, but it's actually causing bonds to lose their appeal for retirees. Bonds, once seen as a safe, reliable investment, are yielding lower returns while inflation continues to erode their value. Now, this is where gold IRAs come into play. Gold has been a safe haven for centuries, used as a store of value that holds its purchasing power even when traditional assets like stocks and bonds falter. Over the last few years, the price of gold has been rising, and many retirees are realizing that putting some of their savings into a gold IRA could be a better option for wealth protection than relying on bonds. But here's the thing: you can't just randomly put your money into gold and expect it to work. A gold IRA is a specialized retirement account that lets you invest in gold, silver, and other precious metals without the tax penalties of withdrawing from your traditional IRA or 401k. It gives you the opportunity to hedge against inflation, the stock market, and the uncertainties of the global economy. But wait, there's more. Not only does a gold IRA protect your wealth, but it also lets you diversify your portfolio, making it less vulnerable to market fluctuations. It's like having a safety net that's always there, no matter what's happening in the world. So, here's the big question: why are retirees making this shift? It's simple. They've worked hard for their savings, and they don't want to risk it. With the volatility of the stock market and the diminishing returns on bonds, gold offers a stable alternative that doesn't depend on the ups and downs of Wall Street. Now, I know some of you might be skeptical. You've been hearing about gold IRAs for a while, but you don't know if it's right for you. I get it. That's why I want to offer you something special. If you have at least $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, I'm offering a free, no obligation consultation to help you explore whether a gold IRA could be a good fit for you. You won't be pressured into anything. This is about giving you the information you need to make the best decision for your future. We're talking about your financial future here, and we understand the gravity of it. So, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and ensuring it lasts for you and your family, click the link in the description below for your free guide and consultation. It's time to take control of your retirement savings and make sure they're working in your best interest. Don't let the current economic uncertainty erode the wealth you've spent your whole life building. I'll see you on the other side, where you'll learn how a gold IRA could be your ticket to a secure financial future.